Hello everyone, welcome to Online Study for You, our company placement solution. So today I'm before you with another video regarding the recruitment process of two prestigious companies, Zebra and Wipro. So before getting into this video, if you like this video, don't forget to like this video. If you're not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe and activate the bell icon to get the notifications at the earliest so that you don't miss any of the opportunities. So now I would like to introduce you something very exciting that we are providing a 21 days of crash course on aptitude, reasoning, coding, everything related to online assessment. So since Camshmini and TCS is going to get their online assessment, they need to conduct their online assessment by next month. This will be a great opportunity for you to get guided and to get trained from our experienced sir. So here, aptitude and crash course will be handled by Pratik sir, and coding sessions will be handled by Soumya ma'am. So the timing is from 7 to 8 and 9:30 to 10:30 p.m. And it's a live session, so you will be getting the individual attentions, and the recorded sessions of this will be also available for you. So for all these, we are just charging rupees 249 rupees, which is a great worthy package. I can assure you with this package, you will be definitely making out of this online assessment. So make your enrollment at the earliest. It's a everything related to online assessment is available to you just for rupees 249. It's very convenient price. It's completely worthy too. So you can get registered to that through our application. The links will be there in the description box. So now let's get started through the video that we was talking about the openings in Zebra Technologies and Wipro. So the link to apply for all of these jobs will be there in the description box. So let's get started with Zebra Technologies. So Zebra Technologies is hiring for the software validation engineer in India, Bangalore. So has a responsibility you will be handling with learn standard and specialized testing methods appropriate for use at various stages of design and development process, build familiarity and understanding of product and product cost drivers in an area of expertise and of other subsystem operation, learns with standard and specialized engineering tools, perform testing following established test plans and procedures, make decisions independently for new test procedures, completely and reports result of tests per project timeliness, perform simple root cause analysis with support from within department and or from engineering, develops proficient knowledge of software development lifecycle and process, may present test results to project team and department management or small groups of other stakeholders, usually limited to senior manager and below. So coming to the responsibilities, I think it's very clear what I read now. You'll be handling with the basic responsibilities of handling with the engineering tools, with the software tools, all that. So software development life cycle, its process, you will be working in a team, project teams will be there. So that's all about the responsibilities. You can just refer this and get it. And coming to the qualifications, who is eligible? What are the eligible criteria? So bachelor's or master's degree in computer, electronics or electrical. So it is very clear that they are expecting master's or bachelor's in computer science or related fields, or any circuitral branches too. They're accepting circuitral branches too. So computer science and circuitral branches, they have clearly mentioned this. So it is for them. And we used to get comments in videos like we are from civil, we are from auto, mechanical, can we apply for this? So here it is very clear that computer and circuitral branches are applicable for this. And preferred work experience of years is 0 to 2 years. That's entry. It's an entry level job. So freshers to 2 years experienced candidates can apply for this. And key skills and competences: proficient with computers and experience with non-software tools, shows interest and ability to design and execute test cases, effective oral and written communication skill. So qualification is very clear. It's so basic. You should know the basic software handling mechanisms and all the details. So to apply for this job, you can click this apply link. And initially you need to verify your mail. So you can just verify your mail and move forward. You can accept the terms and conditions of this company and you can move forward, where you have to provide your basic details in this candidate profile. Okay, so you'll be creating a profile into this. In case if your profile is already there in the Zebra Careers, then you will be getting a chance to update it. If so, then see, you can connect in LinkedIn, you can upload your resume here, you can create a login ID password, and you can re-enter the password to confirm them. You can provide the first name, last name, phone numbers, extension types, email, the address, complete details to contact you. How did you hear about us? From this job list, you have to mention how did you hear. If it's from this, then you can provide that it's from social media, all that here you can see. So this is how you have to go for. And please specify the legal name of one employee, university or other if applicable. If so, according to this selection, you'll be making it. Are you willing to relocate? If you're willing to relocate, you can mention that as well. After that, you can give your gender as from these options, and you can put the time zones. Okay, then you can submit your profile. This is very simple. It's very basic. You just have to give your personal details and get submitted to this candidate. Okay, so this is all about the Zebra Technologies. So coming to the other, which is Wipro, they are hiring for the graduate engineer trainee to the location Noida, India. So job description is you'll be handling ASP.NET, knowledge of ASP.NET, and exposure, .NET framework, entity framework. So everything related to .NET is very important in this position. Object-oriented programming concept, which is the basic theoretical concept and practical concept too. Hands-on C# language, sound knowledge of database concepts, RDBMS, Microsoft SQL Server, 2008-2012, hands-on basic TSQL commands, good knowledge of HTML, HTML5, hands-on CSS, Bootstrap, responsive design, basic knowledge of JavaScript, jQuery, good to have basic hands-on services, web services, WFC. So this is all about the job description. That is, these all the they are demanding for. So if you know the knowledge of all these, then you can apply for this job. And regarding the roles and responsibility, qualification, additional skills, they have not mentioned anything. It means that any candidate who's from any streams, any batch can apply for this. But if you know these job description, okay, if you know about the .NET, they have given here mandatory skill .NET. Okay, it is a mandatory skill to have the knowledge in .NET. So if you know about the .NET and basics of object-oriented programming and all these details, then if you can apply for this, irrespective of which stream you belongs to, which type of graduation you belongs to, everything. Okay, so this is all about Wipro Careers. Now to apply, you can click this apply link. And as in Zebra Technologies too, you have to verify your mail. Okay, so you can just verify your mail by accepting the terms and conditions of Wipro. You can read it if you have any doubts regarding the terms and conditions of Wipro. After that, when you click next, you will be getting a form where you have to fill all of your personal details. Okay, so there's a two-step process. Zebra was having only one, but this is two. That is, you'll be filling all this and you'll be submitting to the appropriate appropriate word profile, job opening. So that's what that is. Candidate profile, it's a current step, and after that you'll be having a like candidate questions. Okay, so you can upload your CV, and in case if your resume is already there in Wipro Careers, you will be getting a chance to log into it and link the updations. And at some times, if you have already registered to some careers in Wipro and this and that have a tie-up together, then you will may not be able to submit for this particular job because that is still there. Your previous request is still there in process. So you can wait for your confirmation from that step to apply for this again. So now you can upload your CV, profile picture, login password. You can give the salutation from the drop-down list provided, and your first name, emails, phones, addresses, have you been employed with Wipro or subsidiaries, all the details. Then your college details, your graduation details. After, if you have worked, then you can give the work experience. and time preference, and you can submit your profile. So after that, as I've said, in this process, we will have a candidature questions. I mean, regarding the questions regarding the candidature, and you'll be submitting those. And the registration to Wipro is so common and it's so basic, and I've explained in so much of videos too. So it is very simple process. You have to upload your resume and give your full details in the form given. They'll be asking it, you just have to fill it. This is all about the registration process in Wipro and Zebra Technologies. So as I have already mentioned and already alerted you regarding the process of the crash course that we provide to you for this 21 days of live session, make your enrollment before the last date of 30th April. So if you have any queries regarding this video, please do let us know in the comment section. And if before making your queries, please do watch this video. Most of your queries answer will be there in this video. So make sure you just know that about this. And still, if there is any doubts, you can definitely ask. We'll be replying you to the earliest. So until I come up with another video regarding this, thank you and have a great day. Stay tuned to Online Study for You.